Hi, I'm back again with another reaction. First of all, I'd like to say thanks so much for all the views, the comments, the likes, and the suggestions. It really means a lot, so thank you so much for that. Now, this one was a request, and the song is called Smooth Sailing by a group called Signature. I guess that's how it's pronounced, Signature. I don't know anything about this group at all, and apparently this is their comeback song that was released on Tuesday. So I haven't watched it yet, and let's get straight into it. And thank you for suggesting this one. Where are we? I've got the English translation turned on. Oh, I love the colour of her hair. Sorry, I probably will be pausing occasionally to read the words. I tend to focus more on the visuals as well as the sound of the song, but yeah, I've got to try and get into the habit of reading the words as well. It makes it a bit hard trying to focus on the three things, but we'll see how we go. But I like how it started.
커져서 숨겨둔 truth is 온종일 너 때문에 나 진짜 심각해 내가 이럴 줄이야 너를 스치간 모든 건 rival 내 거야 꼭 내 거야 When I think of you 네가 잡다고 말해버리고 네가 받기 전 뒤돌아버렸어 네가 보여저기 괜히 흘기 먼저 아는 척하기엔 부끄러워 조금 더 가까이 나올 때까지
I'll tell you what it reminds me of, visually, watching Korean dramas and the group of high school girls in Korean dramas. That's what it reminds me of. I'm just wondering if that's what they've gone for in that. I'm not sure, because I know with the videos, with K-pop videos, a lot of them are like movies in a way. A lot of them are like what you see in dramas and things like that. So just wondering if that's what they've gone for with this video. It's nice and bright. It's happy. It's basically, to me, it's like how young girls feel when they have a crush on someone that they really like. So, yeah, and I think, most of us can relate to that. But, yeah, it's bright and it's happy.
right in my heart. Boy, I'm feeling can we sing it now? Give me more, baby, it's so simple, yeah. 절세보다 훨씬 투명해. 네 맘은 오직 너를 향해 날 보여줘. 네가 mine, yeah. It's smooth, smooth sailing. 숨이 떨어질 뿐이 몰라. Good feeling. 달듯 give me more. It's smooth, smooth sailing. 스며들게 무게로운 세상이 다가진 기분. Smooth sailing.
Okay, yeah, I quite like that. I'm personally, I'm not so much into the girl groups, but I mean, I have a few songs that I like, but yeah, no, I quite enjoyed that. Thank you. And while it's not really, not really, how can I put it? I mean, they're good and they're happy. The song is happy. The visuals are all good, but it's just not really my type of song. And that doesn't mean, they're no good or anything like that, of course, because everyone has their preferences. But, I mean, I would really like to check out some of their other songs. So if anyone's got any suggestions or recommendations, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be glad to add it to my list and check out their other songs as well. I mean, that it was a good song, and I liked the video. It was good. It was happy. It was cheerful, and yeah, it reminded me of being a teenager and having a crush on someone and all that. So yeah, no, I did quite enjoy it. So thank you very much for that. And let's see. Grannies have been on standby waiting, and I'll have to reprint them a bit brighter, I think. So how many grannies? I think visuals for me. Drop the grannies. I think visuals 5 out of 5 because it was good. It was nice and bright and colourful, and that's always really good. And for the song itself, I will give it 4 grannies. Oh God, there. I will give it 4 grannies, not because I didn't like it, because I did like it, only because it's not really my type of song. But like I said, I'd be happy to check out any of their other songs. So if you've got any suggestions, just let me know, and I'll get to it. I've got a bit of a long list at the moment, but yeah, anything you want to suggest, I'll add it to my list. So anyway, thank you very much for that, and I'll see you later. Bye.